So about Builderall web presence, which is at $9.90 per month. This is the entry level plan. You can attach a domain name and you can have as many subdomains as you want. So you can create unlimited sites. You get access to pixel perfect website builder, and this is the great thing about Builderall. It's pixel perfect website builder. I've used many ever since the internet was available to me. I've been publishing on the internet with all the tools over the years, and this one is very good because for me it's like now finally we reach a point where your web page is like a sheet of paper, and you can stick images, videos, you can turn them, add some text on top of an image, you can compose what you want, you can even write by hand and have your web page as a piece of paper. That's good. That's not like the other web editors with grids, rules. You know, everything is very strict. But you can do it if you want for a particular project. You want something very grid-like. You can do it with Pixel Perfect because you have rules. You can snap images so they are aligned. But you are also free to do it, and that's the way I like to do my web pages. As you can see on this page, I have a lot of freedom, but I try to stay a little bit strict. But I can do animations on the page as well. So this is what you get for $10 a month, and I think it's a great deal because you have web hosting and web editor, so unlimited visitors, no restriction on things. You can host your images. So this is very good for one or many websites, a blog and a website, okay, with a domain name. This is very good, and if you compare it to prices at Wix or having a web hosting and installing WordPress or other things, you cannot reach this price. And the good things about Builderall is that it is a platform all in one. So at any point you can upgrade your plan if you want to get access to the real Builderall that we will see here in the digital marketing plan. This is a real Builderall. But web presence is very good, and you cannot beat the price. What is good about a platform is that you cannot be hacked. Your website will not be hacked, and you don't have to do updates because this is the job of Builderall, of the platform, to be sure that everything is secure and up to date. So you will never hear about your Builderall website being hacked or having a technical problem because you have a company doing this job for you. And so you are free to do your web publishing, publish your website, sell your products. Okay, that's the way it should have been, but it's only in recent years that you have platforms all in one like this. So if you want to try it, you can try take a web presence, or even more than below, you can have a 7-day free trial, or you should have a look at a digital marketing plan. Okay, in this video I will tell you more about Builderall and all the tools that you have when you have the real Builderall plan. So this plan was really small. It's a mini plan. of Builderall. The real Builderall is this one, which is called digital marketing, and it costs $29.90 a month dollars, and this is the real Builderall. All the tools that you have, and this is a all-in-one digital marketing platform and solution for you. So compared to Web Presence, you can connect up to 15 domain name and unlimited website also, but you have an email autoresponder, and this is critical online to have a autoresponder. It's included, and it's an unlimited autoresponder. There's no limit in Builderall because this is the plan. This one, digital marketing, is Builderall. The only better plan, in my opinion, but it's not for everybody, the only better one is Builderall Business. But it is only for some people that want to create a business around Builderall. And in this case, you should have a look at Builderall Business. That's the one I have. I have a Builderall Business because I want to be able to resell Builderall, and that's why I'm creating those videos, this page, because I want to resell Builderall. Builderall is my product now. I have a business selling Builderall, the tool, and also the service. I can create websites and transfer them to you if you have the digital marketing plan, or if you have a web presence. I can create a website for you and transfer it into your account. But I can also sell Builderall with, and that's it. Just promote it and sell it, and I earn a commission. But I will talk to you about it later in this video. Now it's about the digital marketing plan. If you are interested in a very good solution for internet publishing, then you should take digital marketing plan because you have many tools. As I said, you have all the tools of web presence, of course, but you have also email autoresponder. So I could go into details, but if you want really the best details, you click on the button below, not this one, not this one, the second one, and you will go to the web page with all the information, all the details about each plan. So don't rely on this video to have an idea about Builderall platform and digital marketing, all the plan. Go and look for yourself, or even better, you can click on the form. You fill in the form and you click on the button really down this page, and you will be able to open a free account, 7 days, no credit card asked, okay, it's no string attached, just to try it, but it will be the full Builderall business account for 7 days. So you can really look at all the tools that you have in digital marketing, and even the menu for resellers of Builderall business. So anyway, I will not go into details, but I can tell you this is the best. It's not because I resell it that I say this, because I know about the other solution. It is the best quality on price. You know, the price is $29.90 each month, and for this you don't need any other tools for all your digital marketing needs. You host all your websites, your blogs. You can create an e-commerce to sell your products. I mean, any need you have on the internet for publishing, selling, accepting payments from PayPal or Stripe, anything you need is on Builderall. And it's very secure. You cannot be hacked. you don't have to upgrade, you don't have to install tools. No, everything is included, and you have the company that you pay and that I pay. This company is responsible for the security and that every tools are working fine. The database, backups, everything. Because if there is a problem, Builderall has several tens of thousands customers. So when everybody uses Builderall, so when there is a problem, a bug, before you realize there is a bug, you have already several people asking to the support to fix it, and they have tens of developers, about 100 employees in Builderall, and many are developers. So they fix bugs. That's their job. That's why we pay them, because they have created the tools, but also to maintain them, to have quality. The keyword is quality. They want a quality product. So you just use it. And my advice is to learn to use the web editor Pixel Perfect. In my opinion, this is the central tool of Builderall. And you know what is good about the platform is that when you have the central tool and all the other tools are connected to the central one. So this means that with Pixel Perfect, when you create your website, you can add a widget, you can add a module on your page of another tool. I don't know if you realize this. If you are new to internet publishing, maybe you don't know what I'm talking about. Why do I say that? It's natural for you. But if you have been publishing on the internet before, you know that even if you have two tools and you need to connect them, it's a lot of work, it's difficult. You need to pay maybe someone, a technical person, to do it for you, and then when you want to change something, you need to pay again. And if this person is still available for work, so this is a real problem to integrate, connect together two tools together, or 3 tools, or 4 tools. And in this platform digital marketing, in this plan of Builderall, you have over 30 tools of digital marketing, and they are all integrated within another, of course. So this is another selling point, to say that if you want peace of mind, and if you want Builderall, and that's it, because you want to publish, take this plan. Click on the button below and get your digital marketing plan, okay? But now, if you are interested in reselling this tool, because you can tell that it's a quality tool, and I will talk to you about the commission program, the affiliate program, then check this video, look at it, because I will not talk about the tools anymore, but only about the affiliate program. That's what I like. It's affiliation, but also the tool. I've been using it for months now, and it's really great. I'm so happy to have discovered it and to have stick with it, and now I resell it by making videos like this and pages, many ways, and it's very good. It's a business. It's my business around Builderall. Okay, so I end this video now, and if you want to check all the details, you click on the second button below, not the first one. The first one is to buy it, because you should buy it, but no, the second one is to go on the page that I'm looking now here, with all the details, so you can look and think about it, and then finally buy it from this page if you want. But if you are interested in business online, and you have already a business, but you are interested, why not, to hear about it, check this video now. Check it. And this is the plan I recommend to anyone But I know that some people don't have time, don't want to do affiliate marketing. Okay, but it's because you don't have time, because you don't have the will, but no logical reason other than time and, but yes, no will to do it. But otherwise, it's a great business. So let's see you in this video. Finally, this video is very good, and yes, I'm happy to do it because this is the plan, the business builder all business. Not business builder, but you can build a business with this plan, builder all business. So it costs $50 a month, but it doesn't cost you anything. It's not true. This is why I love it, because yes, you see the price, so you can see here $9.90, $29.90, but and this one $49.90 per month, but it's not true. Yes, you have to pay those ones. You have to pay, and you get your money back by selling products on the internet or by using the tools. But with this plan, you earn money by reselling Builderall. And you also have all the tools of the digital marketing plan. So, you have a complete Builderall that you can use. It's the same, but even better, boosted on some things. I won't go into details about it. You can check the second button here. The one with all the information on Builderall page. You can look at it, but it's a boosted plan compared to digital marketing. But also you have a menu about affiliate marketing. You can resell it. So now Builderall is your product. So I will explain to you about what do you earn, what do you gain about reselling Builderall. It's great. Builderall is a membership. So you pay every month. And when you sell it to someone, you get commissions every month. Every month that this customer stays with Builderall, every month that he pays Builderall, then Builderall pays you back your commission. So the first month, the first time you sell Builderall to someone, he pays, so it depends on the price, which plan he takes. He pays, you get 100%. So the full amount comes back to you. And then the other month, it's 30%. So one third of the price every month it comes to you. So this is good because now it's passive income. And what is good about this product is that people tends to use it for months and years. So if someone buys Builderall and if this customer doesn't quit around 1 month, on the first month, or in 3 months, if doesn't quit, it means that he installed something. His website, created his website. So after 3 months, you can be sure that this person, this customer, will stay with Builderall for years to come. So this is passive income for years, every month, for years to come, and you each week, each month, you add new customers to Builderall. Some of them will quit because finally they won't do anything with Builderall, because life, and finally they will say, okay, I'm paying this per month, but I don't use it, so I can sell. But this happens very quickly. In the first month or 3 months, you can expect around 50% of people to quit before 3 months. New customers, maybe 50%, maybe less. It depends on which kind of customer you send to. Of course, if you send the the general public, you can expect 1 or 2 people to quit, because that's the way it is. But still 50% or more who will stick to it. And once they stick, it's like a real estate, you know, when someone rents a place, then if he doesn't leave in a few months, then he can stay for years paying his rent. And this web hosting is like this. It's a real estate of internet, and it's evergreen, because every time someone opens a new business, have a new business idea, wants to be online, then new people have new needs of being on the internet, publishing, using the tools that Builderall provides. So it's been like this ever since the internet existed. Web hosting is the best business on the internet, because it's real estate. Everybody needs a roof. So this is great product, and great niche, great thematic, and the product is great, because the main focus is quality of the tools, and the price, as you can tell, is very good, because if you look at the competition of the all-in-one platforms, you can look at the prices. It goes up and up. You take ClickFunnels for instance. The first plan starts at $100 per month, and with many limitations. This is not correct in my opinion, but it's based on affiliate marketing. ClickFunnels they made a good affiliate program for ClickFunnels, high prices, and then affiliate marketers like me who promote ClickFunnels, they know that when they get a customer, they will earn a lot of recurring income. On Builderall, it's not the same. You earn good recurring income, but at a very reasonable price. This means that because on ClickFunnels, you know, many people cannot afford to stay on because of the price, and because when they look at the competition, they see that the prices are not as high as ClickFunnels, so they switch. They go to another tool because maybe they don't need all the tools of ClickFunnels, and they don't need to pay this price. So they switch a lot. But on Builderall, they cannot switch for the price, because there is no other competitor with lower prices or even the same prices. So they will stay, because moving means some work. You know, when you have made website, created and installed system of e-commerce, and then you want to move all your system to somewhere else, it asks some effort. So it's not easy to move. But even more when you have no reason to do it. That's why it's a great product, because it's a good business in itself, web hosting, web publishing, and because the product is of high quality, very low price. So this is good. And then I can talk to you about the affiliate program, because there are second tier, 2 levels, which means that when you sell to your customers, then you earn a monthly commission. But if you sell to customers who take this Builderall business plan, then you also earn commission on what they sell. This is the second tier, and you earn the same commission, 30%. So the advice I can give you, if you are interested, of course, but you take this plan, and then you can talk to me about it. I will explain more about it. But my advice is the first month you should focus on selling Builderall as a business. So sell this plan, because this is your distribution network. When you find people, customers who take the Builderall business plan and they want to sell Builderall, each time they will sell, Builderall, they will sell your product. You will earn the same commission as if you were selling yourself. So the advice is to in the first month, focus on selling Builderall as a business in order to find like-minded people and your own distribution network. Not a lot, 5, 10 people, 10 customers. So you earn commission on their plan, 50. So it's 30% every month of $50. So you do the math. You earn on this, but also you earn on what they will sell. Any plan they sell, doesn't matter which one, you will earn commission just like if you are selling. And after 2 or 3 months of this, once you have a dozen partner, Builderall business customers, then you can focus on selling Builderall as a tool for the end users. And your partners can do the same, develop their own network. When they find people to sell Builderall business, for you it's a commission of 30% on the Builderall business plan. You understand? It's 2 levels. So this is very good. I will end this video now, but what I can tell you is that you should check my second button, not the first one, the second one, because I made a special offer, which means I will give you money, additional bonuses and rewards for you as my customer. So if you take the Builderall business plan under me, which means you will be my customer, then we will talk and I will give you money every month in addition to what Builderall gives you. I will give you money the more you sell. So it doesn't matter which plan, but the more you sell every month, you contact me with your number of customers, and if it's higher than the previous month or the last time you contacted me, I will pay you $5 for each one and bonuses of $50 every 5 steps. And this is in order to motivate you, to give you additional motivation in order to reach 100 customers. And then, once you reach 100, Builderall start to give you their own bonuses for 100 customers. But in the meantime, from 0 to 100, there is nothing to motivate you. That's why I give you the motivation. Me, of course, I'm happy when you sell more because I also earn more on your customers. But for you, it will give you an incentive, a monthly reward for your efforts, selling efforts. So you could take Builderall with another reseller like me, or you could take directly from Builderall. You will not pay less or more because you take Builderall with me. You pay the same to Builderall, and then Builderall gives me back money or keeps the money if there is no reseller who sent you. So you will not pay more or less, but I will send you money every month when you sell, when you sell more. And for this, you can check on the second button under this video. I explain more about it, but you understand. It's an incentive. It's to give you a logical reason to choose me to buy a Builderall from me instead of buying from anywhere else. It's a logical reason. You don't have to like me. It's not emotional. It's not your friend. Just because logically it's better. It will earn you more money and it will give you a motivation to achieve more each month, to have more customers, because I will give you more money each month. So until you reach 100, and then you get the money from Builderall, which has a car bonus for 100. Okay, so that's the idea. It's like a game, and when you win money, but you don't have to pay. And that's why I said it's free. It doesn't cost you $50 per month. No, it's free because you are a reseller. As soon as you reach 4 customers on the Builderall business plan, you are already in profit. So your first game should be to have 1 sale, and then 4 sales, and then maybe 10, 20 after you make your own game. And me, I will be paying you every month as well to give you good job. Try to do better next month. See you next month. That's it. And if you want advice or if you want to talk to me, of course you can, because you are part of my distribution network. So if you like me, then it's even better. We can talk about business, how to sell more Builderall, what to say, what are the news of Builderall, what is coming soon. So I can talk to my. If you have a YouTube channel, you can make video about what is coming up in Builderall. Any excuse is good to talk about your product, because when you take a Builderall business, your business is around Builderall. Builderall is your product. Okay, understood? So for me, it's a no-brainer. I will not take digital marketing or web presence, but for some people, some end user, they may have a need for it. For me, no. I want Builderall, the platform, the tool, and I want the business opportunity to build a business around it, because it's a quality product, very cheap. It's not expensive at all, and it's in a real estate of the internet. So it's always good to have real estate to make recurring income, passive income. And I love it. I like affiliate marketing. Even before meeting Builderall, I'm doing affiliate marketing in French and English with many products. And I also made with products that are similar to Builderall, but not quite. Like I said, ClickFunnels or others similar products. There's no problem. You are not tied to Builderall or to the others when you do affiliate marketing. You are your own boss. But Builderall is very special for the community, and you will see that when you get into a Builderall business plan. There is a special menu with weekly webinars with the CEO Eric Salgado and all the leaders, the other Builderall business people working as affiliate marketers and users. You will see this community is something special, I think, that I didn't see in other products, on Facebook groups, or even in the webinars. So it's live video. You have motivation, you have a sense of community if you want, a sense of belonging. It's a great product, I could talk more about it, but I will end this video now. Just to let you buy it and contact me, and maybe I will do other videos. For sure I will do other videos, but not on this page. On this page I keep it short. Bye bye.